Then question number 174. The anti-dumping duty was initially imposed for a period of 5 years on 1/4/2013, which is going to expire on 31st March 2018. Before expiry, the review was initiated on 1st March. Department demanded anti-dumping duty on imports for period after 1st April 2018. However, as the importer argued that since the original duty expired on 31st March and there was no notification extending the levy during the review period, duty stands slabbed and cannot be demanded. Department issued a notification on 23rd extending original notification by 1 year. So due date from 31st March was extended to 31st March 2019. Actually, there was an amendment, White Finance Act 2021, related to this. That is, whenever anti-dumping duty and anti-subsidy duty, because the period for which anti-dumping duty and anti-subsidy duty is levied is for a period of 5 years, and it can be extended for every 5 years. For every 5 years, there is no maximum time limit. Safeguard duty can be levied for a period of 4 years. So these three, safeguard duty, anti-dumping duty and anti-subsidy duty. Safeguard duty can be levied for a period of 4 years, plus it can be extended for a further period of 6 years. But in no case it can go beyond 10 years. So 4 plus 6, 10, not beyond that. Whereas anti-subsidy duty and anti-dumping duty, 5 years, it can be extended for a further period of 5 years. Like that, for every 5 years it can be extended, but in no case it can go beyond 10 years. Like that, we don't have, means there is no unlimited time, means review will happen for every 5 years. So after 5 years they need to decide whether to continue or to stop the levy of anti-subsidy duty and anti-dumping duty. In this case, actually 5 years is over. Before expiry of 5 years, they initiated the review, but they have not yet decided. So now on 31st March, it will expire. Now still there is no notification before 31st March, because the notification is given on 23rd April. The notification is not given before 31st March 2018, which means that the safeguard duty, this anti-dumping duty which was levied got expired on 31st March 2018. This was the old provision. But now White Finance Act 2018, what they are telling is that by default there will be 1 more year extension. So even if they have not done the review, by default there is a 1 more year extension, because in that 1 year time they can decide whether to continue or not. So once that 5 years is over, there is an automatic extension for 1 more year. Okay. So White Finance Act 2021, it is specified that if review not completed before expiry of period of imposition, then the duty may continue to remain in force pending the outcome for a further period. Okay. So not exceeding 1 year. Therefore, the contention of the SC is not correct. So previously this answer was different, but now because of Finance Act 2021 amendment, the answer has changed. Then measures delimited. You understood now question 174. Actually the same is applicable for anti-subsidy duty also. So this is a very important question because of the amendment. This can be tested in exam.